Hello, class. I'm sorry that I can't be with you here today. I'm going to talk about what you're going to be doing, and then you'll be able to get right to work. So it's going to be a work day, and it's going to be two work chunks that are split with a break in the middle. The first thing that you're going to get done directly after this video is that you're going to do the mastery check on your charging notes. And this is a copy of that mastery check. So there's two versions of it, and this is a note for the substitute. Please give the A and the B version to every other, obviously, as that would go. And it says it right there in the corner, whether it's A or behind that tab is version B. So that's going to be the first chunk of your work time, and I anticipate that some of you will get that done in about 10 minutes, but most of you it'll take that full 20-minute chunk. You'll take a break, and then you're going to finish up notes on the electrophorus activity. And if you have time for it, you will get to that mastery check as well. I recognize you might not have enough time for the mastery check, so it might carry over into Tuesday's lesson. But it would be great. And I think that without the warm-up that I did yesterday with periods 1 and 2, you should have enough time for both of these items. Okay, so just to show you where you're going to find these things, I know that first of all, I know you know how to find the assignment tracker, but just in case you don't, right, it's right here at the front of our Canvas page. And we are doing these two things where it's grayed out in the assignment tracker. So you don't need to go to the assignment tracker right now because what you're going to be doing is just on paper, and you're going to do your atoms and materials. And then you're going to do, when you're done with that, then you can turn in your mastery check, and then you can do this activity. And this will be following up on where we were at in our notes from the previous lecture that we started in class. So I made videos of all the steps except for step 1. So you can go ahead and just take the notes in your notebook starting on page 33 for the notes that you don't have. Once you're done with that, then you will be ready to do mastery check number 2. So I just want to make sure that you're clear about that. If you were, this is from, I think this is from 7th period, and if you were in class, you took all of these notes on page 33. You also got through steps 2 and 3 on page 34, which means that you just need to complete the notes for steps 4 and 5, and you would do that right there. I'd like for you guys right now, please take out your pink notebooks and cross out this stuff that is at the bottom. Identify 2 things you could change. Just cross out all of that as well as everything right here. You do not need to do that additional work. Your mastery check will show me your understanding of this activity. Okay, so in a moment, the substitute is going to hand out the mastery checks, and then we'll start this timer. Once that timer goes off, then you'll take a break, and then you'll have another chunk of time until the end of class to be able to work on either finishing this up or moving on to this. If you are stuck on that mastery check for more than 25 minutes, please move on to the other part and turn it in for partial credit. Have a good day and have a good weekend.